Hello friends, my name is Tejendra Jangad. Here I am discussing the objective solution of an or Sadiku from question number 2.1 to question number 2.10 for the coordinate system. And next video is coming soon for the P.S.Bimbhra electrical machinery. Coming soon solutions are electrical machinery, P.S.Bimbhra, power electronics, P.S.Bimbhra, EMFT Matthew and Sadiku, electromagnets, SOMS outline series and many more. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, that is anybody can download education, that is ABCD education. Okay, now come to the question number 2.1. The range of theta and phi is given in the equation this 2.17 are not only possible one. The following are the alternative ranges of theta and phi. Now solution. For solution, we see that theta, this theta is vary from 0 to pi and phi is vary from 0 to 2 pi. So the any of these two angle is first one vary with 0 to pi, then another angle must be vary from 0 to 2 pi, and if this angle is vary from 0 to 2 pi, then this angle must be vary for 0 to pi. Why this is happen? This is happen to make the sphere when we vary from one angle from 0 to pi and another angle from 0 to 2 pi and radius from 0 to something, then we make a sphere. If we vary these angle from different ranges, then a sphere cannot be made. Okay, so first we take statement A. Here theta is vary from 0 to 2 pi and phi is vary from 0 to pi, so it is correct. Okay, now come to the option B. Here theta is vary from 0 to 2 pi and phi is also vary from 0 to 2 pi. That is not correct. Okay, now come to C. Here theta is vary from minus pi to pi, that is total whole range is 2 pi. Okay, and phi is vary from 0 to pi, so it is also correct. Now here D. Here theta is vary from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It means its range is from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, and phi is vary from 0 to 2 pi, so it is correct. Now E. Here theta is vary from 0 to pi and phi is vary from minus pi to pi, so the whole range of phi is 2 pi. Okay, so E is also correct. Now F is vary from minus pi to pi, so it is range is 2 pi and it is also have the 2 pi range, so it is not correct. So the not correct answer is B and F. Okay, now come to the question number 2.2. A Cartesian coordinate -3 4 -1, which of these is incorrect? This is a simple question. First we make the point where is this point. Okay, so the -3 in the x direction and +4 in the y direction, then -1 in the minus z direction. So this is the point. Okay, in the Cartesian coordinate system. Now the first we find the cylindrical distance, that is rho. So the cylindrical distance from the point 0 from the origin, that is from -3 to 4 node and 0. Okay, in the z direction. So the radial distance is +5, not a negative, so it is not correct. Okay, now the radial distance of this point, the radial distance we can find easily. So -3 to 4 -1, this is the radial distance. Okay, in between these 2 points, that is 2 to 26, so it is also correct. And now last C option, that is theta. So the theta angle, this is the 90 angle from 0 to cylindrical distance rho, and some angle also due to the rho and r radial distance. So the total angle theta equals to 90 plus 10 inverse 1 by 5. This is the 1 by 5. 1 by 5. This is the 5. Okay, 5. So the theta equals to 90 plus 10 inverse 1 by 5. So the 90 plus 10 inverse equals to cot minus 1 by 5. Okay, so it will change from minus to inverse. Now cot is inversely proportional to 10, so the this is the answer. So the C is correct. Now come to the 5, last option, that is D. Where phi, what is phi? Phi angle from x axis to 90 plus something this angle. Okay, so the theta equals to 90 plus 10, 3 by 5. What is 3 by 5? 3 by 4. This is the 3 and this is 4. Okay, so the 3 by 4. So first it is changed from 90 plus 10 inverse to cot inverse minus 3 by 4. Then it will inverse of now take the inverse of these that is 10 inverse 4 by minus 3. So it is also correct. So the not correct is A option. Now come to question number 2.3. Which of these is not valid at a point 0, 4, 0? Now come to the solution. AR, A theta, and A5, many these are only direction notation, so we can't multiply any scalar. Okay, so these are the direction, only give the direction in the radial direction, in the theta direction, and in the phi direction. Okay, so these are the direction, we cannot multiply any scalar, so the option C is not correct. Now, 2.4. A unit normal vector to the cone theta equals to 30 degree is. This is a simple question. Okay. Now, A theta, A phi in these direction theta equals to 30 is denoted by A theta direction in the cone. So the cone is made like this. This is the reference of the cone. That is circulate in the whole path. Okay, whole path. So normal to the this cone is only one angle, that is a one direction, that is a theta direction. So the answer is B. Now come to the question number 2.5. At every point in the space 8 phi dot a theta equals to 1. Now which one is a true and false? So a phi in this direction and theta in this direction, so both these direction are perpendicular to each other, so the dot product of perpendicular vector is 0, so it is false. Now come to question number 2.6. If h equals to 4 a rho minus 3 a phi plus 5 a z at a point 1 pi by 2 0, the component of h parallel to the surface rho equals to 1 is. Option A 4 a rho, option B 5 a z minus 3 a phi minus 3 a phi plus 5 a z, and 5 a5 plus 3az. This is the simple question. Now come to the solution. Okay, first we draw the point. Where is the point in this vector? Okay, where is the surface rho equals to 1? Okay, now this is the point in the radial direction 1, and in the phi direction pi by 2, and z direction that is 0. So this is the point. Okay, now the plane surface rho equals to 1. What is the surface rho equals to 1? So the cylindrical surface, this is the cylindrical surface. Okay, this is the whole part. Okay, where is rho, where is rho equals to 1? Okay, so the surface equation is a rho a phi into az direction. Okay, so the parallel component can be found easily by this formula, h dot a phi, that is the component along a phi. Okay, a phi. Okay, and h az, that is the component along az, that is az. Okay, and these are the notation which are denoted the direction of these vector. Okay, so it can be find by this. So now put the value of h in this equation. Now we get minus 3a5 plus 5a z.